Hi, I'm Tony Zhao with the Integrity Plus Network, and welcome to our new listing at 7554 Red Cravat Court here in Columbia, Maryland.
And I'm Patricia Fuller-Taylor with the Integrity Plus Network of Coldwell Banker Realty. This property features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 2,100 square feet.
Come in and take a look. Check out this updated kitchen. We got custom backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, plenty of room for a table, great eat-in kitchen.
As you're working your way out of the dining room, you will enter into the sitting room, followed by a well-lit sunroom. This sunroom gives you access to a huge deck.
As you come to the top floor, you'll notice that we have custom paint, updated carpet. Your first bedroom features hardwood floors, bedroom/office. As you walk down the hall, you'll go into your second bedroom, your full bath.
Enjoy your primary suite with a full bathroom and a walk-in closet.
Thank you for coming out and taking a look at our new listing today.
And don't forget to follow us on social media or check out our website, integrityplusnetwork.com.